Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to start about the topic environmental pollution. So, in the environment, there are very clean and dirty things. There are both kinds of things, and due to pollutions, the clean things becomes dirty. So, in this environment, so environmental pollutions means there are different kinds of pollutions. First is that it is air pollution. Second is water pollution. Third is noise pollution, and so on. So today we will study about water pollution. Not water pollution, about air pollution. So what is air pollution? Air is precious and life cannot be sustained on this planet without it. So for living organisms, air is very necessary and very necessary things to get being alive. So air is very precious and life cannot be sustained on this planet without it. Without oxygen, aerobic life is not possible. So aerobic life means life which exists through air. So oxygen is a kind of air, is the name of gas which present in the air. So without oxygen, aerobic life is not possible. So oxygen is a kind of gas through which aerobic and organisms are exist are living, not exist, are living. So oxygen is very compulsory. Air has weight and exerts a pressure of about Air has weight and exerts a pressure of about 1000 million bars at sea level. So, air, first of all, there is sea, and upper of the sea level there is air, and it is about 1000 millibars. So, air has weight and exerts pressure of about 1000 millibars. So, above the sea, air gives the pressure to the sea around 1000 millibars. The general rule is that with an increase of 16 kilometer in elevation, the pressure decreases by a factor of 10. So it means that increases with 16 kilometer in elevation, the pressure decreases by a factor of 10. So as we come to know that as there is increase in 16 kilometer of air, so there is a pressure gets less or decrease by a factor of 10. Each sphere of atmosphere has a particular range of temperature. So there is different level of sphere and in atmosphere, and each and every sphere has particular range of temperature. In the troposphere, the temperature generally falls with height. In the troposphere, the temperature generally falls with height. So in the sphere of troposphere, in the sphere, there are many kind of spheres. So one of the sphere from many kinds of sphere, the troposphere, the temperature generally get less, decrease with height. Rain and snow occur in this region, which controls weather condition. So due to this troposphere, where the temperature generally gets falls, rain and snow occurs, and which control weather condition, which controls the weather condition. So due to the decrease in height of troposphere of temperature, decrease in height of temperature of troposphere, there is rain and snowfall, and this rain and snowfall controls the weather condition. In the stratosphere, the temperature either remains constant or increase with height. So as we come to know that there are different kinds of sphere. One is troposphere, and now we will come to know about the sphere that's name which stratosphere. Stratosphere, in the temperature either remains constant or increase in height. Ozone is produced here. So in stratosphere, the temperature either remains constant, the temperature neither decreases nor increases, it continuously remains constant, or increase in height. it it neither increases so much, but it sometimes it gets increases. So when it increases with height, it ozone layer is get produced in this layer.